Hello. 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 Can you hear me?
Yes.
Oh, there you are. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah. Hi.
Hmm.
Yes. Good morning.
Morning.
Wow. All right. Okay. So before we start, let me show you the whiteboard. There. This is the whiteboard.
Where?
Okay. All right. So let me greet you first. A very good morning again. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Yes. All right. Happy Wednesday. Happy Wednesday. Okay, can you repeat after me? Happy Wednesday, teacher.
Ở đây. Người ta đang nói.
Okay, can you say
Happy
that?
Teacher's Day.
Oh, yeah. Okay, one more time. Say, Happy Wednesday, teacher.
Happy Wednesday, teacher.
Wow, very good. What's your name?
My name is
Mm-hmm.
Minion.
Oh, I see. But I believe you have an English name. Do you have an English name?
Yes.
Oh,
David. David.
David is your English name. All right, so can you repeat after me? My name is David.
My name is David.
Oh, wow. Hi, David. It's nice to meet you.
Or about $1.
Sorry. Oh, uh, by the way, David, it's nice to meet you. Can you repeat after me? It's nice to meet
You.
you too. Wow. Okay, let's do it again one more time. It's nice to meet you, David. Repeat after me. It's nice to meet you too. Okay. All right. Anyway, David, before we start, let me introduce myself. My name is Teacher Fat. All right. My name is Teacher Fat. Okay, David? Yes? All right. Okay. So, David, what is my name? What is teacher's name? Please say.
Teacher's
Repeat
name
after.
is
Oh,
Pat.
wow. Teacher Fat. Very good. Okay. So, David, I will ask you questions, okay, about yourself. Okay, David? Teacher Fat will ask questions about yourself. All right? Okay, David,
Oh,
are you ready?
yes,
Yes. Wow. Okay, can you say, yes, I am?
yes, I am.
Wow. Okay, so David first, how are you?
I'm fine.
You're
Thank you.
Oh, wow, that's very good. That's a very good answer. I'm fine. Thank you. All right. David, how old are you?
6 years old.
6 years old? So young. Very young, David. Okay, can you say, David? Repeat after me. I'm 6 years
Years
old.
old.
Wow. All right. Okay. Now, David, let us talk about your family. All right. Okay. David, do you do you have any brothers or sisters?
I got one
I
brother and one sister.
Oh wow, you have
So I got two of it.
two siblings, right? A
One
brother,
brother and one sister.
one brother and one sister. Wow.
Together.
Together. Okay, I see, David. You have a brother and a sister, right? Yes?
Yes.
Wow. Now, David, is your brother younger or older?
My brother is 14 years old now.
14 now. So brother is older, right? Okay. What about your sister?
My brother is taller than my mom.
Oh, really? Your
Yeah.
brother is taller than your mom? Wow, your brother is really tall. What about your sister, David? Is she younger or older?
My sister is
Uh-huh.
my
My sister is younger than you or older than you?
my sister is also 14 years old.
Oh, 14 as well. 14 years old. Oh, wow. I see. So you have one older sister and one older brother, right? Yes?
Two of it.
Mm? One more time.
Also two of it.
Oh, I see. Ah, okay. I see, David. So your sister is also 14. Brother is 14 as well, right? Yes. Okay. Okay. Say, okay, teacher. Say, okay. All right. Anyway, David, I have another question. Let's talk about your favorites. All right. Hey, David, what is your favorite color?
My favorite color is rainbow.
Rainbow. That is a lot of colors, I guess. Wow. You like rainbow colors? Yes. Okay. Now, David, do you know how many colors the
Oh,
rainbow
orange.
has?
I know. Red, orange,
No.
yellow, green, blue, purple, violet.
Oh, and what is the last
Island.
one? Violet. Okay. So how many colors are those, David? There are
7.
7 colors. Wow. There are 7 colors in a rainbow. You like the colors of a rainbow, right? Yes. Okay, let's find a picture of a rainbow, David. Teacher will show you a rainbow, okay? Wait a minute. Teacher will
Teacher, I
find.
want math.
I want math. Oh, yes, yes. Don't worry. We will get back to your lesson later. Okay? Or we will get to your lesson later. But I will just show you a picture of a rainbow. Wait a minute, David. David wants to study math now. Don't worry, baby. We will get we will get back
Math.
to that. We will get to that lesson later. Okay, here,
Rainbow
David.
dash. Rainbow
Yes.
dash.
Yes, that is right, David. Yeah, it has 7 colors, right? Okay.
One,
Wow, okay.
two,
Mm-hmm. Uh,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
yeah, oh, but let's talk about
8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
okay.
9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, 18,
Oh.
19.
Okay, oh, you skipped number 16, I guess. You like counting. 1, 2, 3. Oh, don't
I'm
worry.
100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16,
16.
17, 18,
There.
19. Teacher, 70 is my home.
Oh, 70 is the name of your address? The number of your address? 17? That's what? Yes?
17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 26, 27, 28,
Wow.
29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39,
That
40,
is so
41, 40,
impressive.
41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49.
Oh, 49. Okay. 50.
61, 62, 63,
Oh,
63.
50. 51. What comes after 50? 51, 52.
I already had 60.
Oh, wow. I guess
61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69,
70.
71, 71, 72, 72, 73, 74, 35, 36, 27, 28,
79.
9,
79.
90,
Oh,
80,
80.
82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88,
87.
89, 90, 91, 92,
90.
93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98,
99.
99, and
100.
100.
David can count from 1 to 100. Wow, that is so
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
impressive.
7, 8.
Wow. All right. I guess, David, you like mathematics, right? David? Okay. Now, David, do you go to school? Do you go to school, David?
Yes, yes,
Yes, you do? Wow. Okay, say, yes, I do.
yes,
Yes, I
I
do. Wow.
do.
Okay. David, what grade are you in? Are you in kindergarten? Are you in elementary? What grade are you in? Kindergarten. Are you in
School.
first grade? One more time.
Hello, Star School, number 1.
Oh, first grade. David is in the first grade. 1. Yeah, okay, David, can you say, repeat after me? I'm
I'm
in the
in the
first grade.
Hanoi.
First grade. David is in grade 1. Right? Yes? Okay. Okay. Say okay. Can you say, David? Okay, teacher. All right. Okay. Anyway, David, so let us now start with our lesson. Okay? Let's study now, David. So, David, are you ready? Are you ready to study, David? Yes or no? Yeah. All right. Say, yes, I am. Okay. Can you say it again? Yes. Oh, no, no microphone. Can you? All right. Okay. One more time. Let's start, David. Are you ready to study? Repeat after me. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Okay. So teacher will now. It's okay, David. It's okay. All
Yes,
right.
I do the fun assistant so funny.
Oh, okay. I
So
see,
I
David.
think that you prefer. Why?
Uh, okay, David. So, teacher will now share the whiteboard. And
No.
here it is, David. We are going to start with our lesson. Okay, David?
Math.
Math. All right. We will start with this book. It's called
Which one?
180 Days of Math for First Grade. All
Wait,
right,
I can
David?
see.
Oh, you cannot
I want
see?
small a little bit.
Oh, yes, yes, yeah. I want it. All right. Can you see the whole page? Don't you worry. I will show it to you. All right. Okay.
Minus, minus, minus,
Oh, you
minus.
like, but I guess you want subtraction or rather subtraction. But I guess we will have to answer these questions, David. All right. Okay. Can you see it? All right, let's try, David. Okay, let us
It's
try.
number one.
Oh,
First challenge.
first challenge. Okay, but we will have to write your name here. Okay, let's write your name here, David.
No, teacher.
Yes, baby.
We need to make number one challenge first.
Oh, yes, yes, but we will have to write your name here. All right. Okay, let's do it, David. Okay, let's try to answer and solve each problem. All right. Okay, let's do it. Number one, David. Write the number before and after 5 and 6. What number comes before number 6, David?
Huh?
Okay, one more time. What number comes before number 6?
Before is number 5.
Wow, that is correct. How about the number comes
So
after
that
6?
will be number 7.
Down number 7. Bravo. This is for David. Good job, David. Good job. That's so impressive. Okay, I'm going to give you a score, David. We can write this one. We can mark this happy face here, David. It means your answer is correct. Okay? All right? Okay, next, let's try to answer number 2, David.
How many are?
How many in all? Okay, so you're going to,
7. I know.
okay, you're going to add 4
4 plus 3
plus
equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7. All right, let us write number 7, David.
Teacher,
Yes,
I
baby.
get number 7.
Oh, one more time. I can. Oh, you can write. Do you want to write, David? Do you
Yes.
want to write? Okay, you can write number 7. Write it on the blank. There. Yay! That is correct. Great job. Awesome, David. You can write number 7. Okay, I can write it too, David. Teacher will write. Okay, there you go. Okay, next. Let's mark your score. David will also get a smiley face. All right. Okay, so next, David, how about number 3? Okay, number 3, David. 2 are crossed off, how many are left? 2 are crossed off. How many are left? All right. Okay. 4 are left. Right, David? Okay, what are these now, David? What are these? What are these? These are ribbit, ribbit. What are those, David? These are, you say, frogs. Can you say
Focus.
froggies? How about frog? Frog.
Yeah, number 3 is the completed.
Oh, one more time. Number 3. What? One more 3 is
Oh,
what?
teacher,
Yes.
my number, my
Yes.
number.
But we have to move the page, David. We have to move the page. It's okay, David. You can write your answer. I can also write your answer here. But you tell me what these are. What are these, David? You say, repeat after me. These are frogs. Can you say,
Frog.
these are frogs? Yes. Okay. Can I move the page now? Teacher will move the page. Okay.
Teacher, make smaller.
Make it smaller. Okay, okay. I will make it smaller. Dang. It's small now. Dang.
Wait, I can't see. It's too big.
I'll make it smaller. Much smaller. Dang.
Yes,
Okay, how about now? Can you see it now? Yes.
yes.
Yes. Okay, but I have to give you a score. Which one? A happy face again, right? Okay, next number 4, David. What is number 4? It says here. Okay, I'm gonna write your answer. Okay.
Complete the pattern. A, B, A, B, A, B. Oh, I know
So,
the answer.
so what is the answer, David? A, B, A, B, A, B. Wow. And another letter A. But it should be capital A. How do you write the big letter A, David? Big letter A, like this. Like this one. Right?
I know how to write it.
Capital A. Big letter A. Wow, that is much better. A, B, A, B, A, B, A.
A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B.
Yeah, okay. So let me give you a score. Score a happy face again. Okay, can I move the page now, David? Let's proceed to the next number. Number 5. Okay. Sorry, it has to move. It has to move, David. Okay, 7, 4. Don't you worry, teacher will write. Oops. B and A. Okay, next number 5
Teacher, you
and
are. My letter is going up.
going up. Yeah, because I have to move the page, David. Okay. One last question because we don't have time. Oh my. Now, one last question, David. Okay. Number
I
5.
know.
You know. Oh, question first. Count the count the sides.
Don't
Line.
count. I know the answer. It's
Oh
4.
yeah, 4. Okay.
No,
David.
number 6, number 6, number 6.
Number 6. I'm not finished with the question yet. David, listen to me. What shape is it? What shape is it, David? It's a what shape? What shape is it? Is it a
Rectangle.
A rectangle. Okay, can you say, David? Repeat after me. It's
A
a
rectangle.
rectangle. A rectangle has four sides. Let's count. One,
Two,
two,
three,
three,
four.
four sides. Right, David?
Yes. Let's
Yay!
go number.
To number 6. But I guess, David, we will have to continue number 6 tomorrow.
I do
David,
already.
you did it already. But yeah, I can see your answer is correct, right? The boot is heavier than the apple, right? This is a boot, David, right? And it's heavier,
Apple
right?
is 1001.
I guess the apple is only, let's say, 50 grams, right, David? And the boot is like about 200 grams, I guess. So it's much heavier than the apple, right, David? Ah, okay. So yes, David, I am so sorry, but I have to go. Okay. So today is our first meeting. All right. Today was our first meeting, so I just asked you a few questions and we just studied a little bit about your book. But don't you worry. Tomorrow, David, oops, sorry. Tomorrow we will continue with question number 7. Okay, David?
The 8.
Tomorrow, tomorrow we will continue our class again. But I have to go. Okay, David? All right. So, David, uh, great job. This is for David. David, very
Yeah.
good. Yay! Awesome, David. Okay, teacher, we'll see you tomorrow. Okay? All
Bye.
right. So thank you so much, David. Oh, by the way, before I go, let me show you another picture, David. Hold on. Before I go, I'm gonna give David 3 big stars. This is for you. Oops. Okay, let me just clear everything up. Ta-da! Okay, David. Awesome. Wonderful job, David. All right.
A
Okay.
pentagon. A pentagon.
Oh, yeah, it's gone. Yeah, because I erased everything up, right, David? Okay. So, yes, David, I will go now, but
Bye.
I will see you tomorrow again. Thank you for your time. Have a great day. Bye bye, David. David, bye bye.